Okay, I want to show you a simple little trick for Windows 10 or 11. If your display suddenly goes out on your screen, you just got a black screen. Some people call it the black screen of death for Windows 10 or 11. But again, it'll work with actually any Windows operating system. So basically what's happening is the display driver is going off temporarily. That's basically the graphics of the screen. So the only thing you have to do is hold down the Ctrl Shift in Windows button. That's 3 buttons here, like this, and just put like 3 fingers like that, and then hit the B button like this. And this, you could just hold down the 3 and then hit the B, and give it about 4 to 5 seconds, maybe even up to 10 seconds, and you wait and you wait, and all of a sudden your screen will blink on, and that's basically resetting the driver for the graphics screen. So I know that's unfortunately been happening with a lot of people. All right, make sure you subscribe.